What is up, you sexy criminals? My name is Clay, and this is the Mad Hatter Media channel. So, we are less than 12 hours away from Apple's WWDC 2021 event, and I got a feeling that this year it's gonna be good. So, the event starts at 10 a.m. Pacific time, and we are most likely, if not all but certain, going to receive news that iOS 15 and the Apple M2 or M1X chip have now been unveiled. There's also been talk about leaks regarding something called Home OS, and it's kind of hard to imagine right now, but I think it's going to be pretty cool because I think we all know by now that if Apple's going to do it, they're going to do it with a big budget and they're going to do it right. So yeah, I don't know what we're even supposed to expect really. Just one more Apple thing in our lives. Another exciting thing is that annually every year we get a new iteration and version of macOS. And for those of you guys who don't know, they're generally named after California landmarks every year. Yosemite, Catalina, now Big Sur. And I've heard the term macOS Monterey thrown around quite a bit. That would be super cool. I think macOS Monterey would be... So yeah, that would be killer. They're kind of running down the list of California landmarks, so we'll see. I personally am enjoying Big Sur quite a lot, so you won't hear me complaining either or. Either which way. Regarding the M2 chips, M1X, Apple's latest silicon. Let's just call it that. First, they're gonna be boss hog. Second, we're most likely going to see the other iterations of Mac systems that they've been holding out on and we've been waiting for, like the 14 and 16 inch MacBook Pros with the new Apple Silicon. Not only that, but a lot of us also believe that even though we just got new iMacs, hence the crazy color scheme, we're gonna get more. I believe these base model iMacs are targeted more towards the family-oriented market. The nice, friendly, happy, and appealing color scheme and design really kind of screams family desktop. And that's great. They're excellent for that. There's definitely a market for it, and they'll do great. But there's people like me, and most likely you who's watching, who want to take it a step further. And it's more likely that we'll see these updated design and performance iMacs coming up at this WWDC keynote. Who knows, they could be the same color schemes, or they could be Apple's more traditional color schemes with iMacs. But regardless, it's heavily believed that these aren't going to be the base model Mac systems like what was just released. All right, fingers crossed for the 16-inch and 14-inch MacBook Pros. I can't wait. Okay, I didn't want to make this video too long, so this is going to do it, and I'll drop more info as we head into the keynote. What do you guys think? What do you think we're going to see? What are you hoping for? It's going to be a little bit of a ride. See ya.